Hello guys, welcome to this video. So on this video we're gonna talk about top 7 websites that will pay you worldwide. So it doesn't matter where are you in the world, you guys can get paid. Alright, so I'm giving you all the details right on this video. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches you exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. So the first website we're gonna take a look at is called inboxdollar.com. So you can go directly by inboxdollar.com. So you guys can make money by watching TV, you can do videos, you can surf the web, and you can enter the sweepstake and do much more things, guys. Now you get paid $5 sign up bonus, which is really cool, and it's free to join. So they're gonna pay out more than $50 million to its user last year. So go ahead and guys check it out. It's called inboxdollar.com and I leave a link in the description of this video so you can go directly from there. Okay, now the next one here is called point2shop.com. So you can go directly by point2shop.com. Now this is a survey site that has a reward program, guys. So you can also get paid to click on ads and you can complete different offers and you can do shopping and much more things. But you got to be at least 18 years or older. If you have over 13 years or older, you're going to need your parents' permission to join this. So remember that. Okay, so go ahead and check it out. That's called point2shop.com and you can find out more details here. Alright, so the next website number 3 is called cashcrate.com. So it's cashcrate.com. Now this website is around since 2002 and they had like 2 million members worldwide for a long time. So you guys can get paid to play games and you can do shopping or you can do different offers and things like that. So you can also do surveys and much more, guys. Okay, but remember that a $20 balance is going to be required if you want a request to check or PayPal payments. So you guys can go ahead and check it out. That's cashcrate.com. Head over to cashcrate.com. Now the next website is called treasuretrooper.com. So guys, this is a unique GPT website and it has sorts like Indiana Jones kinds to feel like they. So basically they pay out over $7 million to its user. So you can get paid to do different things like you can do offers, you can do shopping, get cash back, and you can also do surveys. So you can complete tasks and many tasks, you can play mini games and you can also refer friends as well. So go ahead guys and check it out. That's treasuretrooper.com. Now the next website I'm going to talk about is called squishycash.com. So this site's been around for like almost 10 years, guys. So they work with advertisers to pay you for sign up to free websites. Okay, so you guys don't need to pay for anything. You guys are still going to get paid. Now you can complete different offers, you can take surveys and you can try different products and also do shoppings online and get a cashback. So it's free to join and I know it's pretty trustworthy so it's been around for ages. So you guys get a $3 sign up bonus and you can get started for free, and it's available for almost all countries, so it's worldwide. So go ahead and check it out guys. That's squishycash.com. Now let's get into another website, and it's called clicksense.com. And this site pay you to click on ads, so it will tell you exactly how much will you earn before you click, so which is kind cool. Or you can also make money filling out surveys and completing different tasks and doing offers as well. So the best chance of earning with this website is to be through the referral program. Okay, so you can make good money with referral other people's. So go ahead and check it out guys. It's called clicksense.com and it's since around for so many years, so it's pretty much trustworthy. So you can go directly from there, and I leave a link in the description. You can go directly from there. So the next and last website I'm going to talk about guys is called getpaid2.com. So you guys can earn points and redeem those points for PayPal money. Now you can earn points to watch videos, play games, and taking surveys and getting cashback from retailer. Okay, so this site is open to anyone over the age of 16, and it's work guys anywhere around the world, so which is really great. So go ahead and check it out. That's gettopaid.com, and I leave a link in the description of this video, so you can go directly from there. So guys, this is the 7 website that I am going to talk about. You can go and sign up and you can make some money with this, but at last you still trading time for money. But what if I tell you there is an easy way you can start? So click the first link in the description of this video guys. My #1 recommended system that teaches exactly how to make your first sale online if you've never done this before. So this is what I am doing. So check out the #1 link and I will share with you more information. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and have a nice day.